Hiya. Zeus? Hello. Hi. So, Billy, what are you baking today?
I'm baking banana bread. I have 2 in the oven.
Okay. Is that a good activity for a snowy day?
Of course.
All right. Oh, there's bacon on the
In order for you
table.
to get more bacon.
There's bacon on the table. Zeus, you want that bacon? Uh-huh. Billy, is that you? Okay, and what's this here?
That's banana bread.
Banana bread. Can I have some?
One scoop.
Thank you. All right. Watching you. Go ahead. That's your banana bread.
Yeah.
Okay, so when do we get to eat it?
It's going to take about 2 hours to cool.
I can't wait that long.
No, probably tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Really? Good night.